cuts out rust. Hey guys, Dominic with MDP here. Today we're gonna be cutting out the rust on this bitch, and we'll see if we can fix it. If not, we'll just leave the gaping hole. So let's continue. First things first, let's pull it out. Negative to positive, and positive to negative. There's a hole. First piece. If you donate to a Patreon, we'll send you guys pieces of the E36. Sure, these are airbag points. So like once these crush, they touch, I think.
Battery's got to charge. You know what time it is. Man's is running to the truck. It's time to get alcoholic beverages.
Yeah, buddy.
Jesus.
Just rocked my face.
Yes.
So mom's been cooking with this pan for about 15 years. I took it because I thought, hey, it might come in handy. It's actually pretty thick metal. I'm gonna trim some relief cuts here, slam it in. I'll just hammer it in so it kind of just takes shape. Put some silicone on it, shit some welds on there, and it should stick. It's a lot thicker metal than I thought then, I guess. Damn, this shit does not want to bend, man. Dude, fucking man. It's like a brand new floorboard. You just start selling these as kits, bro. A little fucking jacked up, but. Day 2, we are going to glue in that first big piece of the 15-year-old pan first. Then probably mock everything else up. So give it a little tack just so she holds in, and then mock up the rest of the pieces because it just keeps moving around too much, and can't be having it move around. So, all right, so we got some the PL 375 top of the line. Jam that in there, and it should do it for us. Gotta pop a hole in her first. I can already tell. It's gonna be amazing. Not in there, and she's ready. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, like step 1. Make sure both surfaces are clean. Now what you do is you just you kind of gawk it on there. Make sure it's a nice solid seal all the way around. I'll put a little extra dollop right there, right around there. Just make sure it's good. This should just fucking slip right in. Oh yeah. Yeah. And that's it. Now we're just gonna put some welds on her. There's still a lot of glue all over like the surfaces, but we'll see if they'll let me weld. For me. It's holding now, like. I think I just broke a bead. Does what a floor pan does, you know? It's a floor.
Quick lunch break. Mans is already chopping. Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Major upgrade
Good,
post
right?
lunch.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna put the piece of the angle iron though in here somehow. Haven't figured that out just yet. Oh yeah. I'm gonna shit a bunch of liquid nail on my hand and kind of just smear everything and seal all the little imperfections, cracks, and when in doubt, double glove it. I know we keep jumping around a little bit. Basically, the whole section here is me adding a plate, tacking it in, making sure it fits, trimming it while it's on there a little bit, smashing it with the hammer to make it fit, and then adding another plate, tacking it on, and rinse, repeat. So that whole corner process was just all that. So I'm just getting the little itty bitty little corner. Now I gotta unglove my glove. Next thing's gonna be paint once this stuff hardens. Gonna just lather paint on there. Put the side skirt on, you'll never even know the difference. Put the carpet back down, psst, rust never happened. That's the MDP way. We got some black paint. It's gonna spray in the inside. The outside's still drying a little bit. So, should be nice and easy. We got forest fires going on. Horrible air quality outside, and we're spray painting. Dude, that looks fucking stock. Factory. BMW, hire us. We're fast for drying. Can't even tell. Alright, so while everything dries, liquid nail and paint, we thought might as well knock out another issue. We did find another deal, really good deal, for a full set of wheels. We have two different size wheels in the rear, width-wise. They're still both 17s all the way around, but we got to fix that issue because we can't drift with two different size wheels in the back. So we're gonna shoot over to Project M and see what happens. Wow. Ooh, got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just bought a set of tires and wheels. These things are pretty clapped. I mean, they're just gonna be in the rear, most likely, just fucking disappearing anyway, so. That can never fucking happen. Alright, car's back together. We're gonna jump start her, probably take it for a quick test drive. Yeah, butter. Alright guys, that will conclude part one of this little situation here. Next episode is probably going to be passenger side and maybe a couple other things. We'll see. But catch you guys in the next one. Make your dreams possible, boys. Peace out.